guys! Mag-breakfast muna kami. And then, we'll figure out where to go. Actually, parang pupunta kami sa Pansipan muna today kasi yung weather hindi masyadong maganda. Yung original plan namin is Rong May. So guys, yung aming breakfast. I'm having corn soup first. I'll go back later. And then, may mga bite-size na snack dito si Dad. Nasaan yung sausawan nito?
Ano ba?
May sausawan yan. And then, Matty Boy is having... What are you having, Lovey?
I'm having Sophia.
No, what's this? What are you eating?
I'm eating Sophia.
Boiled egg.
Boiled egg.
Alright. And then
Mama,
Daddy's
look.
having rice.
Mommy.
Good morning, guys. So, ito yung view ko yun, guys. Grabe ka, foggy, guys. So, may makikita ba? What can you see, Dab?
I see view.
What is the view?
Mama, what is?
I don't know.
It's a
So, ganyan ka-foggy, guys. Second day namin ngayon. Hindi naman kami nagmamadali. So, magantay kaming umaraw. Bago namin umpisa ng aming paggagala. Kasi sayang naman. Pag magagala ng ganito ka-foggy.
Chill lang.
Chill lang. Alright. Let's buy ano muna. Katulad kay Matmat. Hey, love. Come on na.
One more there.
Come on, love. Guys, andito kami sa restaurant again. Magla-lunch muna kami. It's 12:01. Sabi kasi sa weather forecast, alas 12. Wala na masyadong ulan. So, titignan namin. Medyo okay naman. Then, pupunta kami ngayon ng Pansipan. So, dito kami kakain. Ito na ang ambience nila. So, yun lang. Punta kami ng Pansipan later. After nito, punta na kami dun sa Sun Plaza. Pero mag-book muna ako ng aming round trip ticket. So, happy noodles. Ito na kami guys sa loob ng Sapa Station. And bibili kami ng ticket. Kasi, we were looking at the weather. Kaya hindi pa kami nag-book sa Klook. So, hindi kami nag-book agad sa Klook. Wala na ngayong available. So now, yes. So now we're gonna buy ticket here mismo. Sana meron. Filipino is buying the ticket and they were explaining to us na it's foggy. They were actually explaining to us that it's really foggy up there. So, yes. So, parang in-advise nila na if okay lang. Kaya lang we have to go now na kasi we have activity pa tomorrow, no? Hold mama hand. We're going now. You hold mama hand. You're not listening again. Hold mama hand. Ang ganda dito guys, sa loob ng pinaka-mall nila. And we are going to the toilet first.
Come on na.
And then we're gonna head up to the top. On our way up. Hopefully, mag-change yung weather pagdating namin sa class. Kasi sabi talaga nung staff doon, okay lang ba sa inyo? Kasi maulan, something like that. So, ito, magpasok na kami.
This one is free. Okay. Thank you.
There you go. Daddy, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Behave ka, behave.
Hey ba, quiet. View.
Sit down, Daddy.
Tayo na ako.
Okay. Going. cold.
It's getting cold.
Yes. Can you tell them what's happening? What are you doing right now? Can you tell the camera?
It's very cold.
And what are you doing?
I see the weather. I see the weather. What's this? Look, what is this?
We're going on to our next ride. Pero pwede dito mag-ikot-ikot. If gusto mag-ikot-ikot, pwede. Pero mag-ikot-ikot pa ba tayo, babe? O pag bumababa na lang? Pag bumababa na lang siguro kami ikot. Right now, punta muna kami sa taas. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived safely. This is the cable car. How was it? 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 How was it?
It was so good.
How was it? How was it? So fun. Have to walk quickly, love. Hi. Oh my gosh, it's so close. Cover your head. Guys, pupunta na kami sa summit. And sobrang lamig, kaya naganto na ako. Actually, kulang na kulang nga ito. So, na kami guys. Ang lamig. Nanonood yung lamig sa ilong. So, akit na tayo. Floor 2. Ano meron sa floor 3?
Wala.
This is floor 1 of it. So, akit na kami sa taas. Ngayon guys, sa taas wala talagang view. Yan siya. Super foggy. So, dito tayo sa mga itaas. Dito pala may kainan din guys. Wow! Punta tayo ng summit. So, punta ba tayo sa parang temple and then ang lamig dito guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nanonood ski.
我跟我老婆跟她在下面等就好了。
Ang lamig ay nanonood
太冷
ski.
了，她可能受不了。
Alright. Medyo makapal na yung hangin guys. So medyo mahirap nang huminga. Hindi, yung inaano ko babe. Yung hininga nyo. Baka mabigla kayo, nagmamadali kayo. Kasi mataas na dito guys. So yung hangin manipis na. guys. We are now at the summit and we're headed to the tram. Hindi pa pala the summit. Ito pa yung tram before the summit. So nakapag-picture-picture na kami. So now we're going up there. Gadokyan Station. We are going there and we're gonna ride the tram to go to the actual top place. Hindi kayo sa baba, ayan yung view. Nothing at all. Okay, we're going to the station. Tram. Every, it's freezing na. So lamig. Tapos na tayo sa stage 2 na lamig.
So,
Stage 3 na tayo. So ganito na siya. Kasi hindi ka na makakahinga ng maayos pag nagpasok yung fog sa ilong mo.
Look, talk to the vlog. Hello, girl.
Yan. Kailangan namin ganito kasi para makahinga pa rin kaming maayos sa taas. Sa around guys. So nice. Here's the tram going off.